Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Arthur M. Anderson. This is the second ship of 2021 that I'm filming with a brand new technique. So we're following the Arthur M. Anderson freighter as she goes up the river. I'm using a tripod with my camcorder as a new technique to film these magnificent ships. So now the video won't be so shaky. But here's the Arthur M. Anderson in all her glory. Ironically enough, this is the last ship of the Edmund Fitzgerald before she went down in 1975. That's me adjusting the tripod on the swivel. That way you can see the ship. Thank you much. Have a great day. Bye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Arthur